Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just decided that I wanted to bring you guys. It's kind of like a mukbang, but not a mukbang. I'm basically gonna be trying my 4 favorite pizzas. DiGiorno, DiGiorno, Tony's Pizza, Celeste Pizza, and Red Baron Pizza. And I'm gonna bring it to you guys. Right now I have my Red Baron Pizza and I have my Celeste Pizza. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put half in the microwave and I'm gonna put half in the oven, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it tastes, because these are my 4 favorite pizzas, my favorite pizzas. So I'm gonna let you guys know and let you guys in on my little secrets that I have. So stay tuned, guys, and beauty gang 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 gang. Yeah, guys, as you can see, I think this is Celeste Pizza. I think it's gonna come out really, really good. It's cheesy, it's creamy, it tastes like they added cream cheese to it. The crust is thin, and this is in the microwave. The crust is thin, it's not crunchy crust, it's kind of like, you know how you like rubbery, like flabbery, rubbery, and flexible pizza. But yeah, guys, and stay tuned and I'll let you guys know how my Red Baron pizza tastes.